In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the n8n integration with Google Drive using the Google Drive node so you can automate workflows that interact with your Drive files. Automating these processes can save you time and enhance efficiency, and setting it all up is quite straightforward once you have the right steps. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to create a Google Cloud project and enable the necessary API. This involves navigating to the Google Cloud console. Once you're there, you can either create a new project or use one you already have. Next, head over to APIs and Services, then to the library. Here, you'll want to search for Google Drive API and enable it. Enabling this API is crucial, as it allows n8n to communicate with your Google Drive, giving you the ability to automate tasks with your Drive files. Now that you've enabled the API, the next step is configuring the OAuth consent screen. Back in the Cloud console, navigate to APIs and Services and select the OAuth consent screen option. It's essential to decide whether this application will be used externally or internally. Choosing external is suitable for broader, general use, while internal might be necessary if you're working within a specific domain. You'll need to fill in several required fields, such as your app's name and a support email. If your app is still in testing mode, remember to add your own Google account as a test user. This step ensures that your OAuth consent screen is properly set up, paving the way for seamless interaction between n8n and Google Drive. Next, you'll need to create OAuth Client ID credentials. Head back to APIs and Services, and then to Credentials. Here, click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. Choose Web Application as the type. For the authorized redirect URIs, you'll need the n8n redirect URL, which you can find within n8n when you're in the process of creating the credential. Once you've got everything set up, save your changes and make sure to copy the client ID and client secret, as you'll need them shortly. With that information in hand, it's time to set up credentials in n8n. Open your n8n instance and navigate to Credentials. From there, click on New Credential and select Google OAuth 2 or Google Drive if you're looking for something more specific. Input the client ID and client secret that you saved from Google Cloud earlier. To connect this with your Google account, use the Sign In with Google button. It will prompt you to authenticate and allow the connector. Ensure that you grant permission for the drive scopes, such as https://googleapis.com OAuth/drive, to have the full functionality you need. With these steps completed, your n8n integration with Google Drive should be up and running effortlessly, ready to streamline your workflows with automated interactions. Enjoy the newfound efficiency in managing and automating tasks with your Google Drive files. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.